Hi, I'm Dr. Briann Fann in Columbia, Tennessee. My practice is the art of dentistry, and I'm from Columbia, and I've been practicing here in my practice since 2003, about 18 years. I wanted to partner with someone because I felt like I needed a transition. I needed my business to grow, and I felt like I had grown it by myself as much as I could. And MB2 seemed like a perfect fit to help me take the practice to the next level and give me some transition opportunities in the future. So as far as finding out what's a right fit for you, I think looking individually at any options that are out there, making sure that you have the right fit from a logistics standpoint, a philosophy standpoint. When I was researching MB2, I wanted to make sure that we were on the same page from a treatment perspective, how we treat our patients, how we run the business. And I spent a lot of time looking at MB2 and speaking with the people that work there, all the way up to the CEO. And that's what made me feel really good about MB2. But that's what I would do, is spend time looking into it and talking to the people that work there, talking to the people that have partnered there, and just asking them what's their experience like. I think the ability to help you run the back office, the business side of the practice, which can be challenging, especially in today's environment. Also, the ability to help market your practice and be part of a larger group that gives you lots of support. Dentistry is an island sometimes, and just having a group behind you just makes you feel a lot better. So when we made the transition, or we started to make the transition, I wanted to tell my team early, because I felt like it was important to have them as part of the process. I did not want to spring this on them, right before we made the transition. I wanted them to understand what we were doing and why we were doing it, and even who we were talking to, so they could be part of the process. That's the way I run my practice. I want my team to be part of the process. So we involved them early on in the discussions with MB2, and then they were part of everything that we did going through the process. And then when MB2 came on physically and started working with us, it just made it so much easier and streamlined. Everybody was ready for it, and it was easy. Our goals long term are to grow our practice as much as we can here, to make our processes and systems as streamlined as possible, to do it as well as we can, and then possibly grow outside of our walls, and partner with MB2 and whatever they want to do in this area. Personally, I have a wife and 2 teenage daughters, and we love to travel. We love to go to sporting events. We go to the lake a lot, and it gives us a little bit more free time. My wife helped in the practice with the business aspect, so she won't have to do that anymore. So it's going to free us up a little bit. It's going to free me up to think more just about the dental practice part of it, the practicing dentistry part, less about the business end. So it'll take some stress off of me. So I think overall it's just going to improve our lives a little bit.